Wooden chic interior design, unveiling the beauty and advantages of embracing nature. Introduction: the timeless appeal of wooden chic design. Welcome to Decor Today, your go-to channel for all things home decor. Today, we're diving into a design style that brings the warmth of nature indoors, the beautiful and sustainable world of wooden chic interior design. Imagine a space where the rustic elegance of wood meets modern sophistication, creating a harmonious atmosphere that feels both natural and refined. Wooden chic embraces the beauty of wood in all its forms, from rich hardwood floors to bespoke wooden furniture, and even wooden accents on the walls. In today's video, we will explore how this style not only enhances the aesthetic of your home but also offers a range of benefits that promote a sense of tranquility and well-being. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's unlock. The foundation of wooden chic, celebrating natural materials. At the heart of wooden chic interior design is a deep appreciation for natural materials, especially wood. Whether it's the rich textures of oak, the sleek finish of walnut, or the warmth of pine, wooden chic embraces the inherent beauty of these materials. This design style is all about using wood in its most authentic form, showcasing its unique grain patterns, natural imperfections, and organic tones. The beauty of wood lies in its versatility. It can be used in furniture, flooring, wall panels, or even an inviting ambience, how wood creates comfort. One of the most alluring qualities of wooden chic design is its ability to create a warm, inviting ambience in any room. Wood, as a material, naturally exudes warmth, both literally and metaphorically. The natural tones of wood, from light honey hues to deep, dark shades, bring a sense of coziness and relaxation. This makes it an ideal choice for spaces where comfort and relaxation are key, like living rooms, bedrooms, and even home offices. Wood also has a tactile quality. Sustainability at its core, eco-friendly design choices. As more people become conscious of their environmental footprint, sustainable design choices are becoming increasingly important. Wooden Chic offers a perfect solution, as it champions the use of eco-friendly materials. By choosing responsibly sourced wood, whether from certified sustainable forests or reclaimed wood, you're not only adding a beautiful element to your home but also contributing to the preservation of the environment. Reclaimed wood, in particular, has gained popularity due to its history and unique character. Each piece tells a story and Textures and tones, layering wood for visual interest. Wooden chic design is not just about the material itself, but how it's layered and used creatively within a space. By combining different textures and tones of wood, you can add depth and visual interest to your interiors. The contrast between a rough, unfinished wood beam and a sleek, polished wooden floor creates a dynamic, layered look that draws the eye. You can mix wood with other natural elements like stone, leather, and linen to create a space that feels grounded and connected to nature. In addition, combining functional wooden pieces, merging aesthetics with practicality. Wooden chic design doesn't just rely on aesthetics, it's also about creating functional spaces that are both beautiful and practical. Furniture pieces, like wooden tables, shelves, and storage units, are designed not just for looks, but for their ability to enhance daily life. A wooden dining table can be the focal point of family gatherings, while wooden shelving can offer both display space and practical storage. Wooden chic interior design encourages you to think about the practicality of each piece, ensuring that it adds to the overall flow. Integrating wooden chic with other design styles. One of the greatest strengths of wooden chic interior design is its versatility. It can be seamlessly integrated with a variety of other design styles. Whether your home is traditional, modern, industrial, or even Scandinavian, wood can be incorporated to complement and enhance the overall aesthetic. For example, in a rustic setting, raw wooden beams and unfinished surfaces can be emphasized to create a country-inspired atmosphere. In a more contemporary home, sleek, polished wooden furniture can bring warmth and texture to otherwise minimalist spaces. Wooden chic also works. Wood is art, decorative wood accents and wall features. While wooden chic is often associated with furniture and flooring, it can also make a powerful statement when used as an accent or wall feature. Wooden wall panels, whether they're full-feature walls or simple accent pieces, can transform a room by adding texture, warmth, and visual interest. A wooden accent wall can serve as the focal point in a living room or bedroom, bringing the outdoors in and creating a striking contrast to softer, neutral tones. Decorative wooden accents, such as carved wood, The connection between nature and wellness. Wooden chic interior design has more than just aesthetic appeal, it can positively impact your overall well-being. Studies have shown that being surrounded by natural materials, particularly wood, can improve mental health, reduce stress, and enhance feelings of relaxation and comfort. The organic patterns and textures of wood, coupled with its natural, earthy tones, help to create a connection to nature, which in turn promotes feelings of tranquility and balance. By incorporating wooden elements into your home, you're essentially creating a space that nurtures. Conclusion: the lasting beauty and benefits of wooden chic design. As we've seen, wooden chic interior design is not just about adding beauty to your home, but about creating a space that is sustainable, functional, and emotionally enriching. The use of natural materials, the warmth and comfort it provides, and its ability to blend with various design styles make wooden chic a timeless choice for modern homes. Whether you're starting with wooden floors or incorporating wooden accents, the key is to embrace the inherent beauty of wood and let it transform your space. By choosing wooden chic, you're not only making an aesthetic statement but also creating a healthier, more sustainable home. If you found this video inspiring, be sure to like, leave a comment with your thoughts on wooden chic design, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas right here on Decor Today. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!